Hey everyone, Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Now today it's a little bit of a sad update video. I just wanted to let you guys know what is happening with our case unboxing videos here in the Hot Wheels Garage. Now I have been in contact with Grana toys, link in the description below. That's where I subscribe to get all of my Hot Wheels cases from. Usually really good, on time, every time, but this time not on time because the Hot Wheels factory in Malaysia has been on a bit of a shutdown due to the coronavirus situation. So we're not going to have a Hot Wheels case unboxing for at least another 4 to 6 weeks here in the Hot Wheels Garage. I've been advised by Grana Toys that he should be getting the M case, 2020 M case, around the 5th of September. And then there's probably about another week to 2 before I'll get it here in the Hot Wheels Garage so I can open it up for you guys. So I just wanted to let you all know what's happening, why we haven't had a case unboxing, where's the new Hot Wheels that we're all waiting for, because I can tell you there's some really awesome cars in that M case. We have seen a couple of YouTubers already open an M case. They are probably located a lot closer to the factory where they can get these cases a lot easier than the rest of the world, which is relying on reduced shipping and longer shipping times. So I just wanted to let you know that's what's going on with Hot Wheels case unboxings here in the Hot Wheels Garage. They haven't disappeared, they will be coming back, and also, as I promised, we will be doing shout outs in the case unboxings. I've already got a list of people, a huge list of people that want to shout out, in fact, but leave your comments down below if you want to shout out in a case unboxing video. I'm not sure how many I'll do, maybe just 5 shout outs a video. So you'll have to wait and see who is selected. I'll select it randomly to make it fair so you can get a shout out in a case unboxing video. Smash a big thumbs up on this video. Make sure you leave any comments down below how sad you are about missing out on the 2020 M case for so long, because it's been so long since we unboxed Hot Wheels. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below about this long delay. And most importantly, make sure you're subscribed so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew and you don't miss anything here in the Hot Wheels Garage. I've also linked down below in the description the Facebook page for the Hot Wheels Garage. A lot easier for you to get in contact with me. If you want to start a conversation, you can use the messages there. Much easier than the comments here on YouTube. So make sure you go over there, like the page, follow the page, whatever it is. I post news updates, I'll post the video links there as well. But it's just a really cool place for the community to gather together and chat and get to know each other. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.